Dish and laundry block, and this one block will save so much plastic out of landfill because you can use it for many different things around the house. So I want to walk you through how I use it to do my dishes, for my laundry, and also as a surface spray. So to use it for your dishes, you just wet your brush and then you rub it on the dish block, and as you can see it starts to foam up lightly. And then you just use it for your dishes, you scrub them, and then you're done. So you can use the dish block for your laundry too. So all you do for that is you grate a little bit off so they become soap flakes, and then you only need 1 teaspoon for a load of washing. So this block will last you more than 100 washes and saves again so much plastic out of your laundry cabinet. And then finally, to use it as a surface spray, what I do is I just have 1 teaspoon of my grated soap flakes, grab 1 liter bottles. I love my jars, so I just have a jar which is 1 liter size, and you add like lukewarm to warm water, and the only reason for that is because the soap flakes dissolve better in a bit of warm water. No. You see it's already gaining a different color. And then you shake. So these are the 3 uses for a zero waste dish and laundry block. What I forgot to mention is it smells like lemon myrtle, and it smells so good. But please never hesitate to reach out if you have any questions at all about our zero waste swap.